Alright, Milrods here. Basically, ordered a couple of stuff offline for my bike helmet and all that. It's just come, so we're gonna go look for it and show you what I've got. First off, it's all open already. So first off, got the gloves. One sec. The gloves. Looking really nice. Very nice. We got Radin Tribes gloves. Really thin, but good armour. That side as well. Real good gloves. Took me a bit of a trouble to get into this one. Didn't realise I had scissors right next to me, did I? Of course, now we've got this. One sec. I can't be getting this fucking helmet. Well, yeah, it would help if I actually untied the helmet. Hey, there we go. So, there we go. So we've got a good helmet here, leopard helmets. Do you know I can sit this down? Good helmet there, leopard helmets. Because it's got remove film before use. Yeah, no shit. Thanks for that. Just gonna go around wearing this on it, aren't I? So let's have a look at this. Right, so it's got the normal one, normal visor. It's also got a dark visor, so I can be fucking stealthy. Not know anybody who I am. So I've got a look here. There you go. If I flick that back down, let's remove this film before use because they think I'm stupid. Flick it up again. What's this? Don't know what that is, so I'm not going to mess with that. Probably find out in a couple of days, but yeah. So probably get back to riding in the next couple of days. Yeah, get back to riding in the next couple of days, and then we'll have some videos out. So it's been me. See you in a few.